Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shireen. Today I'm excited to share with our latest promo, the Flawless Skin Package. So you may be wondering, what is the Flawless Skin Package? We have 3 different packages to suit your needs. So you may be wondering, what is the Flawless Skin Package? In our Flawless Skin Package, we have 3 different packages to suit individual needs. So today I'll be sharing with the first package. So the first package comprises of a treatment where we withdraw your blood and we separate the plasma and the red blood cells. Now we are interested in the plasma, which is rich in regrowth factors and regenerating factors. We then inject these regrowth factors and regenerating factors into the area of skin concern. So this treatment is fairly simple, non-invasive and quick. So the benefits using this Flawless Skin Package would be, it leaves you with good skin hydration. Secondly, it improves pigmentation. Thirdly, it forms new collagen. Fourthly, it improves the glow and the radiance on your skin, so it acts as a skin rejuvenation tool. How is this treatment most superior compared to other skin boosters out there in the market? Firstly, we are using your own blood, so there is no chance of any allergic reaction and it's very safe. Stay tuned to join me in our next episode for the second Flawless Skin Package.